everyone, my name is Miss Aling Laia and my student identification number is 25-227-1002. I am a second semester student in the English language Ejection study program at Nias Raya University. This assignment is supervised by my lecturer, Mr. Muhammad Yunus Laia, SSHMS. In this video, I will read a text entitled Nias People. Nias People. Nias people are an ethnic group native to Nias, an island of the west coast of North Sumatra, Indonesia. In the Nias language, the Nias people are known as Ononiha, which literally means descendants of humans. Nias Island is known as Tanah Niha, with Tanah meaning land in the Nias language. The Nias people are a community that continues living within the norms and practice of their indigenous culture. Customary law of the Nias people is generally referred to as Vonrake, which regulates all aspects of life from birth to death. Historical evidence of megalithic structures and stone carving that are found in the interior of the island prove that at hand. Nias people practice megalithic culture. The caste system is also recognized in Nias society, whereby the heights level out of the 12 levels in the Nias caste system is Balugu. In order to reach this level of the caste, one must be able to carry out big festivals by inviting thousands of people and slaughtering thousands of pigs for several days. According to the people of Nias, one of the mythical origins of Nias tribe comes from a tree of life called Tora Singarua, which is located at a place called Teteheli Anaa. According to the myth, it is said that the arrival of the first human on Nias Island began in the days of King Sirau, whose 9 sons had been banished out of Teteheli Anaa for fighting over the throne. Hence, the 9 sons of King Sirau were considered as the first people to set foot on the island of Nias. Archaeological research has been conducted of Nias Island since 1999. The observation found that there has been human habitation on Nias Island since 12,000 years ago through migration from Asia to Nias Island during the Paleolithic period. In fact, there are indications of migration as far as 30,000 years ago. During that period, there had been Vietnam civilization, similar to that Nias Island. Therefore, it was presumed that The origin of the Nias people came from an area in mainland Asia that is in modern-day Vietnam. New genetic research has found that the Nias people of North Sumatra came from the Austronesian peoples. The ancestors of the Nias people are also thought to have come from Taiwan to the Philippines 4,000 to 5 years ago. 10 years of research involving blood samples of 440 Nias people in 11 villages in Nias Island showed the Y chromosome and DNA mitochondria of the Nias people are very similar to the Taiwanese, Aborigines, and Philippine peoples. The observation has also found that the genes in today's Nias people no longer carry any traces of the ancient Nias people. Each of those whose remains were found in the Tegi Drawa Cave, Central Nias. Archaeological finding of the stone tools found showed that humans lived in the cave over 12,000 years ago. The genetic diversity of the Nias people is very low compared to other groups of peoples, especially with regard to that Y chromosome. This indicates that there was once bottleneck population in the past history of Nias. Studies have also found that the Nias people do not share any genes with ethnicities living in the Andaman Nicobar Islands in the Indian Ocean, which are geographically considered as neighbors. Although it is known that there was a migration of the Austronesian peoples between Taiwan and Indonesia archipelago, including Nias, it is still uncertain if the migration started from Taiwan to Nias or vice versa. Gowi Nihandro or Gowi Nitutu, pounded cassava. Harinake means pork. Godo godo, share that cassava shaved into balls for boiling, and later with are that coconut flakes. Keve keve means fish meat shaped into balls to be dried or smoked. Ni oburu, sold that pork for longer straw rich. Ratigai, fried bananas. Tamboye, ketupat. Lemang, gai niboge, grilled bananas. Kaji mone, made of sago. Wawayase, glutinous rice. Gulo faru, candy made from distilled coconut milk. Battle compares crab meat shaped into balls for longer storage as found or Hinako Island. Nami salted crab eggs for longer storage, sometimes for months depending on the quantity of salt used. Tuonifare palm wine. Tuombanua raw palm wine with added laru, roots of various plants to give a certain amount of alcohol. Clothing and ornaments. The kalabubu is traditional only worn by those who already perform the hand hunting activities. Fondruru, men's earring made of precious metal. Kalabubu, also known as the headhunter's necklace. Nifatali-tali, a necklace of precious metal. Nifatofato, a man's necklace of precious metal. Suahu, a comb of wood or precious metal. Traditional proverbs. Hula ni femanga mau, ihene jinga, like a cat that is starting from the side. When doing something, start from the easiest to the difficult. Hula lewa nidane ba ifuli fahale hale. Just like chopping the water, it will still remain something that is imparable. Abaka Joko Safria Moroi Bazi Ofena. The wood is more severe at that later stage than the beginning. A course of action can be felt that moves towards the end other traditional practice. Nias men taking part in Fahombo. Fahombo leaping over the rock. Fatele or Faluaya, war dance, Maina group dance, Tarimoyo eagle dance, Tarimo gaile, Fangowai welcoming guest dance, Fame ononihale weddings, Omohada traditional house, Fame ete nononihale, given name of a married woman. Faseselewe, bamboo competition among young men to touch one straight. Decline. Deterioration in Niasan culture began to occur since the end of the 19th century. Missionary works had contributed to that decline of original Nias culture. Evangelization in Nias, such as those performed by the German Protestant Rhenish Missionary Society, had been responsible to that destruction of Niasan wooden tribute as well the expression of the unique culture of Nias society, act, ancestor worship magical practices that Obasa Festival, Nobleman Ren Elevation Festival, hand hunting, and slave trading. However, since 1955, conservation of the traditional culture of the Ononia has improved tremendously by the Roman Catholic Church through culture integration into liturgy, architecture, and art. Thank you for watching this video about the Nias people. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.